Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Yvanna Brooke, and I'm back with just a little mini vlog today. I've spent most of today traveling and everything is such a fucking mess because I just got back and I have hella packages, but I thought I would do a quick unboxing before I go and get a facial, and I thought I would bring you guys along for the facial as well. So quick. So first box is from Blume. They sent me more of their skincare. So this is their Daydreamer Cleanser. Looks like this. They sent me their Star Girl. This is like a mist. It's like a face mist. Looks like that. And then of course, Meltdown, which I did a review on and I love so much. So I'm so excited to have this back in my routine. The next is from Juno & Co. They started skincare, so I'm so excited. They're doing their Junoskin. And so they sent me their cleansing balm, which I'm kind of debating using before my facial because right now I have on a tinted SPF, which I just reviewed this M Cosmetics one. Cleansing balm. So excited about this. And then I have another box from them. I feel like it might be the same thing. It is. They sent me two. I know they're having shipping problems because I got an email from them, but no need to unbox that one. And then last but definitely not least, I have Beach Riot, which is clothing, which is so fun. Hope you enjoy our latest collection. Can't wait to see your posts. I'm so lit. They have the cutest stuff. Like, oh my god. So they have cute workout gear. Look at this. It's like a color block legging set. Like, literally, oh my god. It gives me so many, like, 90s vibes. Like, oh, it's so effing cute. So you'll see this on my Instagram literally tomorrow. Like, I'm so gonna wear that. But it's between that one or like they have these, like, look how cute. It looks like it's like patent leather style. Like, oh my god. That's the top. And then these are the bottoms. Look at that. How fun. I'm like obsessed. They feel really cool. Can't wait to see how those are on. And then tonight I'm definitely wearing these because after my facial I'm just gonna chill, edit this, and, like, you know, relax. This is their PJs. Oh my god, it's even cuter than I imagined. Look at that cute little crop. It's like a cropped, this is kind of like a floral paisley set, but this is my favorite detail. Like, I love the velvet tie. So both of the sleeves have little ties and they're so, oh my god, they're so soft. And then it's like the piping around the, oh, it's so fucking cute. That, and then it comes with a pair of little shorts with the matching tie. So cute. Patterns aren't usually like my thing, but I'm like trying to, you know, expand my horizons. So thank you so much, Beach Riot. It's gonna be a fun Instagram week. So can't wait. But yeah, I think that is everything that I have to unbox for you guys today. And let's go get my facial. I've been on the road all day. I haven't gotten a facial in so long. So long. Like, it's probably been almost a year, I think. So I'm getting it done by my friend I have two friends named Tamara, or they spell their name the same, but I don't know how to pronounce it. I think she pronounces hers like the classic Tamara. But I have another friend that like pronounces it Tamara, so I'm a little like, and it's funny because they kind of like, they don't look alike, but they do favor a little bit, so it's kind of funny to me. But anyways, yeah, so, oh, that's the last thing. I'm not gonna unbox it because it's for high key me and Alicia, so I'm not gonna unbox it, but she has Honeydipped Cosmetics and she came out with her new Gabrielle cleanser, so we will be unboxing that later. And yeah, so I'm gonna go get her acne buster facial and, you know, hopefully put some of this acne to bed. The last thing I want to show you guys, like, real quick, it's like, what is this? These are some bamboo pillows. I realized since going to California and then going to stay at my parents' house. Like my acne's gone down so much just in the 4 days I've been at my parents' house, and it's like, it's very, very obvious that it's not just my pillowcases, because like I got new pillowcases, I got a new like free and clear detergent, and like that's not it. It's my actual pillows. So I got brand new pillows, and I'm so excited to sleep on them tonight because I've seen so much improvement in my skin, and I just want to keep seeing that improvement, you know what I mean? So yay! So I'm excited. Let's go get our facial and hang out with Tamara. It is the, oh, my battery's about to die. It is the end of the day. I just wanted to show you guys my face. I didn't show you before, so sorry. But yeah, I had so much fun. She did an amazing job. She's so good. So I'm gonna link her Instagram below. And yeah, she also makes and sells her products. So if you're not in the area, you can get her products. They're all handmade, natural. And I just picked up some Popeyes. So I'm about to relax, edit this video, get into my little pajama set that I've set out for myself, and clean up and like get my shit together. But I hope you guys enjoy this mini vlog, and I will see you in my next video. If you like this video, don't forget to leave it a like. If you like me, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to see more of me, you can always check me out on my Instagram, Yvanna. And I hope this video found you in the best place possible. Bye.